Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the fourth tutorial for HTML beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is HTML attributes. What we discuss on today? HTML attributes. Attributes provide some additional information about the HTML elements. Attributes provide some additional information about the HTML elements. All HTML elements can have attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes are always specified in the start tag and end tag also. Attributes are always specified in the starting tag. Attributes usually come in name or value pairs, like name equal to value. Attributes usually come in pair. Okay, some attributes is there. Some href, source, language, title, alt, width and height. Width and height attributes is there. How to write the href, what is the use of href, and what is the how to write a source, and what is the uses of source. The source, these attributes I am clearly explaining step by step with example also. Before going to example, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please click bell icon also. You can directly get notifications. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? Attributes. Attributes provide some additional information about the HTML elements. First of all, I am write the href attribute. Here, block type, HTML, head, title, HTML attributes. Okay. Just here body. Here href. Suppose .jpg. Okay. Href. So we'll check the output. Solutions. Yeah. Suppose you can click here. It will be refers the image. Here I am writing image, so that's why it will be refers the image. Suppose you can refer YouTube. Yeah, you can refer YouTube. Automatically redirect to refers the YouTube. Sorry. So guys, this is the use of href, and I am provide some information. HTML links are defined with the a tag. HTML links are defined with the a tag, anchor tag. This is the anchor tag. The link address is specified in the href attribute. The link address will be specified in the href attribute. This link address will be specified in the href attribute. Second one is source attribute. Suppose image source. Okay. This is the image. Image source. What is the use of image source attribute? HTML images are defined with the image tag. HTML images are defined with the image tag. The file name of the image source is specified in the source attribute. The file name of the image source is specified in the source attribute. The image name of the file name of the image source is specified in the source attribute. Width and height attributes. Width and height attributes. I am at the width and height attributes. Width, suppose 500 pixel. Height 500. So check it. Yeah. This image with 500 pixel and height is 300 pixel. Okay. Next one is width and height attributes. Images in HTML have a set of size attributes. Images in HTML have a set of size attributes which specify the width and height of the image. Images in HTML have a set of size attributes which specifies the width and height of the image. The image size is specified in pixels. Image size is specified in pixels. Width equal to 500 means 500 pixels wide. Next one is the alt attribute. Suppose alt SHS Tech Solutions. What is the use of alt attribute? The alt attribute specifies the alternative text to be used when an image cannot be displayed. Suppose here I am given image path is wrong. So that time the alt is showing here. Alt is alt. Alt means alternative name. Alt is the alternative name. So that's why I am writing the here alternative name. The value of the attribute can be read by screen readers. The value of the attribute can be read by the screen readers. This way, someone listening to the web page, example, a vision impaired person can hear the element. A vision impaired person can hear the here SHS text solution, hear the element. Next one is the style attribute. Suppose you can remove the width and height. Style equal to width 100%, height 500 pixel. Okay, so check the output. And this is the output. Width is 100% and height is 500 pixel. And next one is the style attribute is also completed. The style attribute is used to specify the styling of an element like color, font size, something else. Okay, suppose P SHS Tech Solutions. Style color red. Okay, style color red. Yeah, here this is the use of style attribute. And next one is the language attribute. The language of the document can be declared in HTML tag. Here language EN. The language of the document can be declared in HTML tag. The language is declared with the language attribute. The language of the document can be declared in HTML tag. The language is declared with the language attribute. Declaring a language is important for accessibility applications, screen readers and search engines. Declaring a language is important for accessibility applications. Sorry, accessibility applications. Next one is the title attribute. Suppose here title Sheikh Maulana. Okay, once we'll check it. Yeah, tooltip is there. Sheikh Maulana. So you can hover on SHS exhibitions. Tooltip is showing. What is the use of title attribute? Here a title attribute is added to the sorry the title attribute. Here a title attribute is added to the p element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the paragraph. Here value is the title is the attribute. Value is the Sheikh Maulana. You can hover on SHS text solutions. It will be showing a tooltip. So guys, this is the use of title attribute. Complete summary of this HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. The title attribute provides additional tooltip information. The title attribute provides additional tooltip information. The href attribute provides address information for links. The width and height attribute provides size information for images. The alt attribute provides text for screen readers. So guys, this is the complete description about this tutorial. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, PHP, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMO. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications. I hope guys we all understand what are the HTML attributes. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.